Breaking news ayensa aka and it's Reverend Obofo at the huehi court or sue huehi just like suitor what they abo nana grada na ensem no enatese ye de bros sia Ghana for bebre atro mo adwen wo so sembre ebe mu a mema mu hu de Ghana for so eka echi for mesremo. If today is your first time here, please subscribe and click on the notification bell. Latest news be paper no onza ebeka yanko nsem ni mu mama mo achi ase say last year one of the biggest alliances online it was between Reverend Obofo and Nana Huehi. Na Huehi edito ne ho so say wono de wo be kwa ma Reverend Obofo into wo hwa osofo bia ana wo bia wo ba abonten ebe kaseti a Reverend Obofo bia no na ayaye se ne bakuna kaseti a Huehi be ba abonten aba be reply enam so ema Huehi ni obi nim enyantokwa kese last year enam so na Huehi ene na agrada nyantokwa kese ema na agrada betina TV so bo Huehi dia chese ye ni aye hu ye Huehi kweshia igwe ebono ni nano because of Reverend Obofo because igwe at the old pictures of Reverend Obofo bi babonten betre say Reverend Obofo yin adamfo na Reverend Obofo di ntia kwhye bibi mu ende waba benya skan sembebre Huehi ebe kasama Reverend Obofo a enam so nti igwe eni Huehi benya ntokwa igwe kobu Huehi ye ni aye kai na ye rade sie mu a ye be hwa ne say Huehi ne Reverend Obofo na say ye hu wo mo relationship ni ye ase bebia efa no ye hu ni ye. Now I told you say ye rade sie mu no Reverend Obofo made a promise to Ghanaians. Asama Reverend Obofo ekan ne say wono Reverend Obofo this year wobema Ghana fu hu ono Reverend Obofo ye in the sense say so wunim na obeba abetina TV so ana radio so na waka nsem afa ne ho ensem na enye ne kre so wunim na obeye sa ade na wono Reverend Obofo be make sure say the law will deal with you. So this year ankasa no Reverend Obofo already wamapo aposifo achembranche bia na womo ebu nkrofo in his name. Already Reverend Obofo ama sa abranche a wobetena radio so can say Reverend Obofo sebe odimba ye mu ade ne nyama no Reverend Obofo ama ya che sa abranche no na agrada we see no just this year there unim now the story be ba na fa Reverend Obofo no hu say story na nya ne kra obema a lawyer for ne lawyers no e de wo akokot na we e na che say Huehi so ne Reverend Obofo ase ye nheda hu omu ye insem bi sisi hu de eko e na Huehi ekofa lady bia em say lady no obi nim camp. Now first na Huehi wo GHPH TV sisi a Huehi wo TV bia ye friend the Next TV na Next TV no e na Huehi kofa obey betena so na oba ne kan sem humuran e fa Reverend Obofo ho se Reverend Obofo wo yese chese wo hwe nsem a oba ne ka fa Reverend Obofo ho a ensem fata akwa yese de Manase ene di demon breaker e ka fa ne ho ano e wo na tu no oba ne so kansem wo mo bopa yese o mo bopa bu nkrofo chese oba ne kansansem ni nina na wei e na Huehi ankasa no pa wei waba be confirm atre yen se wono Huehi wo ho e na chese what say Next TV for ye den krata abro mo say ye de omo court na Reverend Obofo issue Next TV Reverend Obofo esanso issue onu Huehi no e na wasanso issue wo ba na wo betina sa program ne so a wo kan semfa wo no Reverend Obofo ho no e na chese eno ne asem a Huehi we there from Obroni be say from the horse's own mouth Huehi ababonti abe confirm say ne kre Reverend Obofo e de no court na sa Huehi ne Reverend Obofo nsensem boy no won yakoye bibie wo ho yakoye friendship gone bad because Huehi has even come out to make a revelation sa revelation say ye ne kra e was say Ghana for eto de bia nkrofo kasa ama nkrofo de omo ahon den kasa ama nkrofo na e was say ye hu de ntia Huehi say Reverend Obofo promising the car. And a Reverend Obofo also promising the dine. And Rana walk as sama Reverend Obofo no. So that is why we share will be about bontin me cassette ya Reverend Obofo na hu hia fa to ne ho so. Mekai say one of Obinim junior pastors your friends like Kelvin or so for Kelvin I will free Reverend Obofo ho ko Obinim ho no. And Reverend Obofo ni Obinim in talk last year a course no. Also for Kelvin ebetna OBTV eka say wono so for Kelvin wonim say hu hi no o wade a wonya efi Reverend Obofo ntia na obi abeka Reverend Obofo na hu hi aba abe defende hu hi beka say wono de onje hwe nso enfi Reverend Obofo ho just that one penny ema yen say Reverend Obofo din but ende asemba ye no ono angasa ba abonten abeka he is saying it and so if he is lying then yes ono na waka we are just reporting from him. Say Reverend Obofo promising so be chen car into Reverend Obofo ed the car won say nia bibia tai eto de bia obehu ne say asem bia ba na asem na aba no nipa kro ana wosofo na ye ka ne ho asem no wosofo no wendi ne kre ana wosofo no wanka asem ni ye na Facebook blogger bi afa asem na to ne ho so e defend so there's what to me say insem to me sima insem no very just say insem bia you can't even defend. Now so kwabrane ebe so camera si ne so e defend ni pa kuna ma woti ne chika beka say ni na no say e wo mo wo de omunya o ademudie bi wo ho adododie bi wo ho a wo munya ntia na ya wo mo yesa ade no mo betina online ana TV no mo yesa ade no itisi a asemo a eda ho no na when he responding was one de enesre say Reverend Obofo edi wonu hu hi court na wo Reverend Obofo na e na wo kan say this year obi a wo beka wo asem ana beka nsem boni bi afa ho bia na obesiu no e na hu hi ka say demon breaker kotena na 2 eka nsem a eye west e fa mo ho Manase akwa kotena na 2 eka nsem a eye west afa ho but ye hu say Reverend Obofo wesiu na 2 ena omoka se akwa yes Reverend Obofo sro Kennedy Japan onim se wo yes wo siu na 2 pe ebe yes it's a direct attack on Kennedy Japan ebe ma Kennedy Japan e de wonu Reverend Obofo nsem bebre aba abontinti as Reverend Obofo ebu ne ni egu na 2 die ne so ena wo e won chen no ena wo si wo mo sa asem we na agrada nso kan na agrada say wono ni suit na Reverend Obofo de abebo no no na agrada won ti ase because she was just reacting to things yaka e won na two so into won ti ase say Reverend Obofo be siu wonu mu a Reverend Obofo ensiu the source which is the two no tinsem a eda ho no hu ehi so de wo kan ni e na hu ehi say wono de Reverend Obofo ho ye ne sere because social Reverend Obofo a obi asebe wetumi ama wobi in the presence of police wa she we e won krofo anim wo ka yen ka say ye de wo court asem hu ehi kan no the response a wode ma Reverend Obofo no it onu hu ehi ne eye ne sere say Reverend Obofo ba abonten aba besiu no e asem na asem we ni nemu no mama mo ati ase yes obi beti na echi aka say oh Reverend Obofo sure na 2 but you see one thing and say obia e won a discretion in the sense me meti hoyi ebia me report and me ya broadcast bia a lot of times in crofo be di matem ebia yen fans especially if it's political yen fans assembly ba na me kasa efa NDC ho na me kasa NDC fo anya de a obon say MPP fo be ba be di matem mostly wo hwa wo mo di matem e wo comment box ni mu no I don't reply but once in a while obi be di matem and na my replies are nipa ko no because me reply obi no it doesn't mean say necessarily I have to reply everyone minim say the American no say motemase dia inti ade a eda ho no yes Reverend Obofo is suing people who in a way no Yebeka said they are speaking bad on his name, but he's picking some people out. And you're not gonna discretion. He's a man of his own. Whatever he wants to do, he will do. You don't know maybe his relationship with Netu for. You don't know. Maybe I want to know what to work around. Will be a will buno a ferry the plan a Kennedy Japan. Inti sebe se Kennedy Japan a car sema fan and a Kennedy Japan TV station sunti ya car sema fan hokrana. O de why na just say one respond because ebia Kennedy Japan na ye papa bia maneda. And now say we share bibi ebia and then the standard wojina no because he learned something from Kennedy Japan, so he feels he owns Kennedy Japan that allegiance. Inti yes, you know and ordinary. The thing and they say Ghana has a me I speak against those who destroy people's name. Now this thing Reverend Oborfor has introduced no. Ebema sebe nkurofo ekotena TV so aka ensem afa nsofo ho a at least they will provide proof. So won't provide proof won ko enkotena enkasasa. The Reverend Oborfor ye a lot of pastors will start to learn from it. Because Ghana has said yeah, they will be quoting TV, so I say we deal without proof. I am not saying say Ebia ne bakuna e boni a my encounter, but why your boni na will prove a brabontin beka. That's what we are saying, and show the proof. So this thing Reverend Oborfor is doing, no, mind you, Reverend Oborfor nanka wo ye busi ni bia nka we ni beje se wo de nkrofo we e court because edin boni a ye de bono no. Ende me won namfufuo bi a wombu Reverend Oborfor me namfufuo bi e wo ho a wo mumbu Reverend Oborfor. Why? They don't know him personally, but because of him someone crofo betena TV ni radio so a wo mokafa ne ho ninti wo hu bebi asem ne da. So that's where the whole issue lies. Montre mo adwen e wo comment box mo tie for me da ase.